Wait, they find you. Wait, they find you? But you just walk away.
Hurry up.
Like you're like, oh, I found you. Okay.
Are at Crumbl Cookie right now. We're about to get fucking cookies.
Oh, there was a comp.
For some strange reason, we're about to get cookies. All right, you guys go in. Here you go. Here's my phone.
Get the card?
My code is... Okay, I'll just go with you.
Go together.
So you said cookies and cream on you, right? Okay, you got that too, right?
Okay, which one, guys? They have different ones.
Wait, this one?
Wait.
S'more.
Okay, let's do s'mores. I want that one.
One cookie is 1,200 calories?
Yes. Okay, which one? Pop-Tarts?
This one.
Cake batter? And which one out of those two?
Nigga, 6?
Yeah, we're gonna get 6.
Really?
This one again.
No.
Wait. Okay, you got
Different
this
one, different
Yeah.
one.
This one.
Wait, this one.
This
The
one.
different
This
one.
one.
Cookies.
No, get this turtle
brownie?
cheesecake.
You know what a turtle is?
No,
It's like pecans, caramel.
Let's get this one
it's
then.
ass.
Sarah can't eat that.
Okay, get this one. Churro.
You got it. So just get this one.
Yeah, different one.
All right, go. See, that's out of the price range.
Bro, I have the $5.
All right, you have to send it to me.
Buy that.
I'm
Bro,
not paying.
after this way about $5. Yeah.
Look, this is how much money I have.
Exactly 20?
Yes.
Okay, bro, let's go open the Apple Cash.
쿠키 6개 3,000원.
Look. Wait, can't show me. No, that's it, bro. So send the 5, bro.
I don't
Or
have
send
Apple
4.
Cash.
Send 4.
I don't have Apple Cash.
We're cooked. Cash out me.
I don't have Cash App.
We're cooked.
They
bro.
banned me. I'm too young.
We're cooked, bro. We're cooked. You can't buy it. We're cooked.
Yeah. I have Zelle.
Okay. No.
Actually, I'm gonna do 2. Sarah's gonna give me 2. What? Yeah, that's no. Actually,
It's only in the second $4.
all right. They're even at home yet.
Let them know. Let them know.
They actually look so good.
Yeah, they look really good.
They actually look good.
Close it.
We are.
Close it. You didn't close it.
Let's go. It's special when we get to the house. Let's go. It's hot.
And we have milk.
Let's go.
Take a picture before you cut it. Wait, I have to take a picture before you cut it. Okay, hurry up. I'm gonna go get water. It's like, you know, I need it. On my iPad?
All right, guys. We had just got the Crumbl Cookie, as Luna showed you guys. We're about to introduce all 6 cookies featuring my sisters, Sarah, Fumi, Gracie. So Fumi's gonna introduce
Okay, so
all 6 cookies.
we have chocolate chip.
Okay. Wait,
Pop-Tart.
you gotta show them.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Okay, chocolate chip, Pop-Tart, s'mores, churro. I don't know what this is. Wait,
Which one is this one?
I don't know. But this
Cake
is cookies
batter.
and cream. Oh, this is cake batter.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it now.
All right. So which one are we gonna try first?
The chocolate.
We are cake batter.
Okay, cake batter. All right, guys. We are going to try the cake batter first. Yeah. Mmm. Okay.
Okay, get bro those two.
You guys can grab it first.
Okay, now go.
Oh,
You
no.
want to share the piece
Here you go.
with
You
me?
want to try?
No.
I want the
It's
small
raw.
piece.
Smaller?
Small.
Here, just bite it, and then I'll bite this one too.
Okay.
Just you don't have to eat it all. I'm gonna just
You
bite
can
it.
throw it
too.
away after the bite.
Yeah, you could just bite it. Ready?
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
This one's good.
So that was bad.
It needs to be cold though.
No.
Why'd you throw it away?
That was actually nasty.
You don't like it? This one is like kind of dry in the middle.
It was the frosting.
It's good.
Frosting's disgusting.
All right, so we just finished trying cake batter or cookie batter, right?
No cake batter.
Cake batter. This one's not bad. This one's not bad, but
No, that
it
one.
can be a little better.
Oh, it's kind of bad.
It's good to me.
Back it up, Luna. Well, I'm really tall.
Okay, now we're gonna do what was this? Cinnamon churro? Churro.
Okay, that one might be good. How did you like yours?
Can I get water?
Yeah. I got you.
It's not bad, but it's really sweet.
Okay.
All right.
Wait,
One
I'm
second,
actually-
guys.
I
I'm
should
getting Luna
cut
some
them off.
water. That's why I'm not at the camera.
Let's just cut them off.
Yeah.
So you pause it? I'm feeding out of record.
No, she's gonna edit it. Doesn't matter. Just do whatever you want.
Okay.
But when we about to talk about it, like we can't do anything because
Mine?
yeah.
But the food is not your food. Is it cold? You better not eat her food.
Yeah. It's a cup. It's a cup. Show the camera. It's a cup, guys. It's a cup.
Water here, fucking face.
It's not a vase, nigga. It's a cup. It's a big cup.
No, give me that cup.
Oh my goodness,
It's
it's,
a
a
cup.
marshmallow.
Guys, Nuna just made fun of me at my own house.
It's a cup.
It's a cup. It's
Are you
a
closet?
it's a big one. It's a pasta jar.
Yeah, pasta jar.
Because it actually is a pasta
It's a
jar.
pasta jar. Okay, wait, I cut two, so we could just do it.
All right.
Okay, this one, the churros.
All right. Now, guys, we're about to try the churro one. See how it looks.
Looks good.
It looks really good.
This one's good too.
Oh, and it has white chocolate. Okay, this kind of looks good.
All right, ready?
3, 2, 1.
I like this one.
This one's better.
That's good.
I feel like the mic can hear me chewing.
It tastes like
No, it's
a,
okay. It's not. It's kind of. It's good.
it tastes like a snickerdoodle
Mm.
cookie.
It's okay. Hey, the Korean viewers, they actually like ASMR.
Hey, it's not ASMR.
I'm
You
for
don't know
real.
what's ASMR.
Yes, I do.
ASMR is like
No,
But
I watch
obviously-
ASMR. I'm not gonna lie.
Obviously not like full ASMR, but if we show a little bit of it, like Fumi chewing, or like if I'm chewing, they'll be fine with it. Like they don't care. They actually don't care. They actually want us to do more of that.
Wait, I want to dip it in milk.
Okay.
Okay. That was good. I would eat
This
that
one's
again.
s'mores.
oh,
I don't want the marshmallow to break. Okay. The marshmallow broke. Wait, break it. Break it. Put it on one side of the cookie.
Oh, it's actually the marshmallow. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Who's gonna introduce this cookie?
crazy.
Want to introduce this cookie?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
All right, guys. This is the s'mores cookie, and we're about to try it.
Okay, go.
Alright, guys, this is how it looks. This is how the s'more cookie kind of looks.
Oh, I didn't cut that one. Oh.
Focus. All right, there we
Wait, you
go.
want one with the marshmallow?
Oh, I dropped it in the trash.
Come on.
No!
What the fuck?
Grab that. No, grab this one, actually. Here.
All right, ready?
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
This one.
It just
It's
tastes
not
like a chocolate
nasty
chip
nor
cookie.
bad, but
It just tastes like a cookie.
yeah, that's a cookie.
This one's a little underwhelming. I expected that one to be higher.
Okay.
How does it taste with the milk?
Let's see sugary.
Yeah. Or it tastes less sugary.
Yeah.
Okay, now cookies in. Oh, yeah,
Oh.
milk.
Oh, you guys, I'm dipping it in milk.
Okay.
Well, the milk is good.
Okay. You guys gonna do this
Water.
one?
I'm not eating chocolate chip.
This is insane.
No, let's do how it lasts.
No, we're gonna do this one last. The normal one last.
I'm gonna do this one next.
Okay. I know. Okay. This one is insane.
Oh my god, that chocolate.
Oh my gosh.
What is that?
Look how thick it is.
Guys, this one is gonna be the most craziest cookie. That one's like actual cake.
Wait, what is that?
A brownie.
That's not even a cookie. That's like cake.
1,200 calories.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
I eat this every day.
Okay. This.
Wait, somebody introduce it. Somebody say something.
This is like the cookies and cream brownie.
There's cookies and cream
Here,
inside.
this is a better close up of it. Cut down.
No,
Focus. Nice.
Okay.
Okay.
3,
Too thick.
2, 3. Okay.
That's too much.
This fire, I ain't gonna lie. You don't like it?
No, that's too much
It's
chocolate.
like mid. I don't know.
It's too sweet.
Okay.
This is really good. But it's a lot. But it's really good.
For a month.
For a whole month?
Just so.
Oh. This is really good, guys, but it's a lot. So
Okay. Now we're gonna do Pop-Tart, strawberry Pop-Tart.
okay. Go closer. Here, I'll do it.
Kinda. All right.
Wait. That one was crazy.
Okay, 3.
Wait. Focus. Okay, perfect.
It's raw.
All right. Ready? 2, 1. Worst one.
That's
What is
insane.
it?
I don't know. This was.
I don't know.
All right,
Tastes like
No,
perfume.
guys, I haven't even finished chewing. I'm on my 4th bite. I don't like it.
It tastes like eggs.
Yeah. It doesn't taste like it's done yet.
Okay, now
was
the
that-
best one, a chocolate chip.
All right, now the final one. This is the final
It's
one,
the
guys.
best cookie.
This is the finale of our Crumbl Cookie taste test. We have just the basic, super chunky chocolate chip.
Hey.
Very nice, very neat.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
The thing about this one, guys, is like, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong.
Yes, you can. It's too much chocolate in it.
No, it's not.
Too much chocolate.
It's super chunky.
It does taste
This
like
one is good.
But
That one is.
Dip it in milk, bro.
Actually, I do want dip in the milk.
Dip it in milk. This is it in milk, guys.
The best one is cake batter.
Here. Dip it in milk.
No, the best one was definitely churro.
Wait, what? Say the best cookie. One by one.
Oh,
Your
Me?
favorite, yeah.
This one's my least favorite. This one? Least favorite.
You say it, though. Which one's your least favorite?
This one. I'm gonna
cookies.
start on my favorite. My favorite will probably be this one.
The
The s'mores?
s'mores.
Yeah, the s'mores. My second favorite will probably the cake batter. My third favorite,
We didn't say rate the whole box. Babe.
You said one.
Yeah. We say your favorite and your least.
oh, Our favorite and worst.
Yeah,
No.
favorite one.
s'mores and brownie.
Okay, what's your favorite?
My favorite was churros. The least one was cookies and cream.
My favorite is cake batter, birthday cake.
Uh-huh.
My least favorite is the Pop-Tart.
Okay, my favorite, honestly, was the brownie. Like the brownie. I don't really have and my least favorite was the Pop-Tart one. But like, just to say it, my second favorite was the cinnamon one. Yeah, which one was your favorite?
Summer is the best one. And then what is it?
Pop-Tart.
Pop-Tart?
Yeah.
It's nasty.
Yeah, that one was nasty, guys. So yeah, I'll show you guys the whole box. Oh, sorry, Nuna. I just hit Nuna, guys. But yeah, it was good. There, hella water.
That was $25 worth of cookies.